Welcome back to my channel, viewers and subscribers. I'm happy to have you all today. In this video, I'm showing you guys how I made my curry rice, so let's get right into this video. The ingredients are turmeric, curry powder, some extra corn, butter and green onion, mixed vegetables, parboil rice and coconut milk. Be sure to check the description box down below for the measurements. First, you want to melt the butter. Then pour the curry powder and the turmeric into the pot and combine. Then pour in the vegetables and mix for about a minute to 2. After that, you want to pour in the coconut milk and bring it to a boil. Then wash the rice and place it into the pot. Add salt to taste and cover. Allow the water to dry completely out of the pot. This is my curry rice, you guys. As you all can see, the texture and the color of the rice are very rich. I had this with barbecue chicken, which I uploaded earlier. Please feel free to go ahead and watch it if you haven't done so. I will also place the link to the barbecue chicken recipe in the description box. This is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be sure to invite someone over so that they can become a part of the family. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next upload. Peace.